back again this morning to our second segment, which is science. And you're wondering why teacher has this container with her. Don't worry. When the time comes, you know why teacher has this container. All you need to do is just listen attentively, like I always tell you. Yes, today we're looking at science, still on day and night. And also, we're still talking about the special friend of ours, the sun. Yesterday we talked about the sun. Yes, teacher talked about the sun, telling you that the sun is the closest to earth. Yes, without the sun we won't have plants. Without the sun we won't be existing, because the sun contributes so much to mankind. Today we're looking at the sun and talking a bit more into the sun. Yesterday the teacher told you that the sun is a star. Yes, the sun is known as the star of our solar system. Solar system. Yes, I know you'll be like, what's the teacher talking about? What is solar system? A solar system, teacher is going to define a solar system to you. All you need to do is listen attentively. Listen attentively. The solar system is like a bucket. I didn't come with a bucket, so I have this. That's why teacher has this container. Yes, the solar system is like a bucket that consists of, I open my bucket, which is the solar system. See this as a solar system, okay? It consists of the sun, it consists of stars, it consists also of every other thing that is bound to it by gravity. By gravity. Yes, I take it again, the definition of solar system. Solar system is like a bucket. It's like a what? A bucket consisting of the stars, consisting of the sun, and every other thing that is bound to it by gravity. I know you understand it now. I know you understand it now. Good children, clap for yourself. That is solar system. And this solar system consists of the star, the sun, and every other thing, because it produces energy. It produces energy. Okay? It produces energy by the fusion reaction. The fusion reaction of what is called the helium. Another big English from teacher. The helium. Pronounce it. Helium. Oh, St. Louis, darling, pronounce it. Helium. Teresa. Helium. It produces energy by the fusion reaction. The fusion reaction of what is called the helium. This helium turns it into hydrogen. Does what? The sun falls into hydrogen. Now, what is an helium? What is an helium? An helium is tasteless, odorless, very, very colorless, non-toxic. It does not toxicate. Okay? Non-toxic. It is the first in the noble gas group. It is the first in what? The noble gas group in the sky. If you listen to my voice note, I took my time to explain it so well. These things are what we can't see, but scientists went so far to make it so easy for everybody to understand. That is why a teacher can stand here explaining all these things to you, so you can also be in the know. Helium is tasteless. Helium is colorless. Helium is odorless. Helium is non-toxic. Non-what? Toxic. And it's first in the noble gas group. Thank you very much. And do you know what the sun does? In the morning and in the evening, the sun is at its lowest point. The sun is what? At its lowest point. Good. And at midday, it's so hot. It's so hot because it's at its highest point. It's at its what? Highest point. Making everywhere so hot. Everywhere, Mommy, my body is hot. can we go to the swimming pool? People like Sarah want to go to the swimming pool. Divina is the first to carry her back to the swimming pool. Also, Louise, mommy, I'm sweating too much. I want to have my bath. Yes, that is what the sun does at midday. That is when you come to school, when it's break time, you get sweaty because of your playing under the hot sun. Yes, that is what the sun actually does. And this is the note teacher has prepared for you. You listen attentively, teacher will read, so you know how to read your note. Okay, listen attentively. Teacher said, the sun. The sun is known as the star of our solar system because it produces energy by the fusion reaction of what is called helium that turns into hydrogen. Okay, the helium turns into hydrogen, and this hydrogen, do you know what hydrogen does? It's what the plant takes in. The plant breathes in hydrogen. Do you know what they send out? They send out oxygen. Oxygen is what me and you take in. Okay? And we send out hydrogen to plants. Repeat this video, it will really help you. I take the notes here. In the morning and in the evening, the sun is at its lowest point in the sky. At midday, the sun is at its highest point. That is how it works.